Developing a full end-to-end IoT solution is very complex. In particular, the web application, the front end you use to interact with a product or manage devices in the field, is often not a core strength of an OEM, and it's where many product companies are struggling. That's why we created the Digi IoT Application Framework, providing OEMs with a flexible open source framework for them to customize to build that end application. The IoT Application Framework is an extension of our Digi ConnectCore Cloud Services, a secure platform to remotely deploy and manage connected devices at scale. Features of the service include over-the-air software updates, remote monitoring, and everything you need to effectively manage connected devices in the field. So let's look at this smart city example implementation we have done using the IoT Application Framework. It shows a transit bus management system monitoring buses on the map here, and you can also look at telemetry data on the buses, like number of passengers, power level of the battery, engine temperature, tire pressure, and other data. Some of the devices on the map here are real physical devices, like the one here based on the Digi ConnectCore MP25 system on module, based on the STM32 MP25 microprocessor. We have connected this alarm button here to the device, just as an example. So if you press the alarm, the signal gets processed and sent over the cellular connection to the cloud service. On the other side of the web application, you see that alarm pop up in real time on the map here. Other devices on the map are simulated devices using the IoT Device Simulator. The IoT Device Simulator enables virtual devices so you can quickly test a large fleet of devices. You can test features like data streams, device requests, and also non-standard behavior like a failed firmware update or disconnections, resulting in a more reliable application. This web application is part of the framework, and it's fully functional, and you can use it to manage your connected devices. It's provided in source code, and you can customize it for any industry, from transportation to industrial or a medical healthcare use case. Any use case with a connected device. Just another last feature I want to highlight, that's this cloud lock, which monitors all the communication between the web application and the cloud backend, providing you with a powerful feature for debugging and troubleshooting during development. We are removing the complexity of developing web applications and making the management of devices and deployment easier. Get started today. You can use any Digi ConnectCore development kit. Register it with the ConnectCore Cloud Services, download the application framework, run the example application, and start customizing that for your use case.